Okay.
Okay na. Say what's up, guys.
What's up, guys?
Hey, it's me. No, frick. I'm blinded. Okay. Hey, it's me, not Pop.
Kuya, look at my garden.
Whoa.
I can't even.
Can I keep it? Can I keep this?
No, that's
Can I
mine.
keep this?
That's
No.
mine.
Can I keep it?
It's mine.
Can I keep it?
It's mine.
How did you get this shit?
I don't know how I got it. Okay.
Oh. Hey.
I'll be here. I'll be here.
What? Yeah.
So small.
Haha. You can't even get it.
No, I can.
Huh?
I can.
How did you get that?
Just climbing. What?
How did you get that? No, what?
The seeds. Obviously.
What
Where else?
seeds can make a monstrosity like that?
Coconut seed. OP lollipop stock.
We.
The lollipop stock.
We.
Then I'll do some OP lollipop stock. Okay, wait, there's a lollipop stock? Oh, hell. Oh, wait, what's this?
Oh no.
I'll be here.
Ooh,
Wait,
it's not. Get that car.
Car. Get the car. Yeah.
What's this car doing?
Come on! Everybody get in the car!
I know. Whoa.
Whoa! Wait. Okay. Whoa!
Ah, you're looking at their butts.
Oh.
Is that the Lion King?
Oh, wait.
Is that the Lion King? Oh, I'm driving now.
Oh, I should be the one driving. Someone's calling.
Come on.
Wait, I'm gonna get this to my mother, my dad.
Oh.
Okay, you voice that.
Okay, guys, it's me, not Popular, as you can know me. Is this recording? Yes, it is recording. Wow. Ooh, what's this? Okay, leave it. Okay. This is good. No, you're not back. Shoo away. I have bonding time with my fans. And your
I have a
fans.
little lollipop. Hey!
Oh wait, everyone gets a lollipop. I remember you.
You guys have to walk now. Haha.
Haha. What?
Dang it.
We don't need to walk because we're in a private server.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go.
Wait, read the little text. No, the car will move. Don't worry.
I
Not
got
a safari egg.
seed bag. Seed pack.
I guess a safari egg.
I got a seed pack.
Boo-hoo.
At least I got a seed pack.
Oh, is that garden, dude?
I have a
Look at that handsome garden over there.
Where?
And look at that ugly one.
Bro! Look at the tall one.
Oh, what's this? Giraffe. Huh? What level up
What?
lollipop has what?
What's restocking the gear? It's restocking the gear shop. But we already have one.
I don't have.
Do you have a lollipop?
No.
I thought you had.
No, I did not.
You said you had one.
I did not. Admin first. I can't read any of these.
Grandmaster.
Oh. Whoa, look at the butt. Wait.
Wait, I wanna go.
We can't touch them. Oh, alligator. Hello, I'm petting it. Anyways, I'm going back.
Yeah, I'm going back. I don't another one.
I got a safari egg again.
Safari egg.
And then we're
I
back.
have a safari
to
egg
Lion
as well.
King. Oh. Yay!
No! I
Bye!
accidentally clicked the seed up. Where are you?
Yay! I'm driving by myself. Okay,
Okay, I'm gonna go.
okay. That's it. Our seed shop has been... I'm
Nothing.
going back to cosmetics.
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna open the seed pack.
Going back to gears.
I have a base. Come on now.
A trowel, medium toy, pet. What is all of this? Oh no, the lollipop has been... Hey there. There's jungle egg. Bug egg, bug egg.
Bugging yours, bug. Okay.
I thought you hate bug eggs.
I don't hate bug eggs. What do you mean?
You told me before that, ew, bug eggs. I'll give it to you.
Because it was scary in the first time.
I'm broke. Give me the jungle egg, Hannah. What the hell? I'm dancing.
Rain and tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
Kuya, look where I'm.
It's rain and tacos.
Jandal? Yes, it's Jandal.
Oh,
Out in the street.
Look at me.
Jandal, where have you
That's my skin.
There's another Jandal! Whoa. What's gonna fall on us? How many Jandals are there?
I don't
There's
know.
another one! It's
my
the
God.
alien!
It's above your garden. Okay.
Yay! What? Why did I get teleported to your garden?
I don't know. Wait, let's be here, Kuya. I might in the.
I can't even get into your... I can't even jump.
Like that. Wait, here, you need to jump here.
How
Yeah, you
to
need to
get
jump
up to you. Okay na.
Okay, now. Wait.
How do you get up here? Okay.
It's easy.
Oh, so that means we can get on top of him. Ah!
You hold on. Wait. Since the coconut is hard, I can Ah! Where are you? Ah! Whoa. Don't laugh. Bro, stop texting again. I'm voting. Kuya, let's win this in my tree.
Wait, what if we go the Trade Center?
Oh
Yes.
yeah, but
Ah! Ouch. Ouch. What is blocking in my way? There's something blocking. And I can't. Hana, I'm doing it.
you're doing it.
Ah!
Ah, I'm here.
I'm gonna fall. Whoa!
I'm here, Kuya. Look at me.
You're on the top?
Yeah.
You're not on the top.
I have a daisy seed. Oh, am I gonna plant it?
Look at my beautiful sunflower.
Yeah, you have a beautiful sunflower.
Oh yeah, wait, my Buddha's hand or something.
I'm blue.
Forgot to check it.
I'm low, but
What the hell? What is this? A Buddha's hand. What?
wow.
Why? Why does one of your grapes look old?
Where?
It's so old now, Hannah. It turned into dust.
Oh, that's clay.
Oh yeah, wait. Where's your pot? 10 my pot.
Wait, with your pot as well. I'll tend it with my lollipop. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it with my daisy.
Just tend it. You don't need any plants.
Oh, okay.
Somewhere here.
Okay, got it.
Okay, you remembered it somehow. Well, I don't.
You forgot? See, that has this.
Hey! What is this? Ooh, fruits.
Fruit?
Pineapples. Why are there pineapples?
And what else? What else? What else?
No rewards. I remember new what? New pet territory slot. So in the accession. Accession. Does she mean accessory? Accessory? What? I can't even say it now. What is an accession? Oh, it's in here. I know what she means now. She means here. No, wrong one. Here.
I move my.
Here. There's a zebra whistle, safari egg, and we have not reached yet milestones. Then there is explorer's compass, orange delight. Why is orange delight 100? I'm already broken up. 101 mil. Admin quest. What do you mean I have to feed one? What do you mean I have to feed one of my pets 40 carrots? There's only 18. Anyways, gotta feed these beanstalks to my pets.
Oh my gosh! Look at my mango.
Where?
It's so small.
Where?
Look.
I can't see it. Wait. I'll go. Oh. Anyways, where? Not so small. It's not small. Have you seen the smallest coconut ever? It's over there, Hannah. It's over there.
Bro, shut up.
Those are the smallest coconut. Why did you move it here?
Why?
Now I cannot jump easily anymore.
Okay, fine.
Actually, no, never mind. Because of this thing, I can go. Whoa!
You can go.
Why is your burning bud ghost or glitched? I don't
What?
care. It says there it's glitched.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna move my burning bud.
Hey, no fair.
No! I need to go back again
Why? What happened?
because I need to get a trowel again.
What did you say? How can you go on top of this coconut?
You're wondering how can I harvest that?
And go on top. Yes, I know it's possible to go on top. Actually, put your decorations. Make a tree house.
Ah,
Yeah, tree house.
tree house.
Gugu gaga. Ah!
Wait, is mango a fruit?
Yes.
Okay, I can put it here. Submit. Why am I here? I accidentally teleported to the cell shop. Oh, cell shop. I meant here.
Okay, coconuts grow.
Submit all
I
my
want to see
tasks.
how big you get.
What?
Coconuts.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about. Oh wait, is carrot a fruit?
Is carrot a fruit? Is carrot a fruit? Oh wait. Sometimes it asks for specific plants. It's berry plants. Mine is berry plants. What is berries? Oh, strawberries? No, strawberries aren't berries.
Mine is pineapple.
No, choose the, what's this? Look at what she says specifically. Probably she's asking for berries, fruits, or spiky, or stalk, which I don't know what stalk is. We can upgrade fences? I don't have a health plant. What do you mean? Oh, look at the admin quest, Hannah.
What's the admin quest?
Look, oh, on top of the shop.
Wait. Admin quest. Ooh.
Use 10 corn in cooking. Okay, I'll do that.
Wait, what is it?
Use 10 corns on cooking. Okay, I'll do that.
Oh, you're so lucky you have a cooking thing.
No, in admin quest. There is.
Okay, there, I collected all of my... I have a coconut seed. I won't get that. What?
Here's my corn. Submit. 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 Give me all of my corn. Corn. Corn.
Wait! I totally forgot.
Corn. Corn.
I forgot to feed my pets.
I mean the crock pot is full. How dare it. Okay, fine, cook. I have a cent to feed my pets. With my beanstalks. There's my molten beanstalks. Feed my mole. Feed my American eagle. And feed my capybara, which I don't know what it does. Looks like you guys are full now.
What? It's full?
What? What did you just say?
Nothing.
It's full.
Nothing.
Hannah.
Whoa,
I have
whoa.
a gift for you. I have a gift for you.
What's a gift?
Come here. Close your eyes, okay? Just turn your back. And don't look what I'm doing. Go to your garden.
Okay.
Teleport to your garden, damn it. Okay, don't look. I said don't look.
Wow.
Accepted. Feed it to your pets.
Fine.
Wow, nice decoration here.
What?
Nice decoration. I can't see your decorations, but I know it's nice. Can you go on top of your decorations? I want to see if you can float. Because literally I'm facing through it, right? See? I'm facing through it. Meanwhile, my decorations are still here. Somehow.
Yeah.
Or did I turn off a setting that turns off to see everyone else's decoration?
Nope, there's no setting of that. You're just a glitch.
Every single time when I join.
What, really?
Yeah, every single time I join, all I see here is nothing.
Nope, there's nothing in settings.
Look at this small thing. Now look at the big baby. How dare you fart?
You farted.
Nah, you farted.
Bro, you farted.
Nah, you farted.
Nah, you
Nah,
farted.
you farted.
You farted.
Oh, boo-hoo, the baby's crying because somebody farted, which is her.
No, was that me?
Yes.
You're the one who farted.
Anyways, guys, that's it for the event, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's it.
So, Kamerana, let's go to our each other's beautiful gardens.
Wait, I'm first gonna say something.
Anyways, come back here. I am gonna kill you. I am gonna kill you.
I got 15 million.
Can you give it to me what you have?
Fine, I'll trade you. I'll trade you some shekels.
You don't even have a ticket.
Ah.
Hey, come back here. Come back here. You have your recall rent, right?
Recall rent? No, I already used them all.
Really?
Yeah. Hey!
Hello.
Okay. I hope there's something in stock. Did they? Okay, it's still here. Okay, go back.
I am the Batman. Oh.
Where are you? Okay, train ticket.
Decline.
Not decline. Okay.
Here's what I'll give you.
Um,
This thing. And this thing. Also this thing. Also this thing. And this thing. And this thing. And
what? That's my whole saving.
oh, I'll accept that. And then I'll give you
Okay,
10.
that one. That good?
There you go. Accept. What did you do?
I accepted it.
Again, confirm.
Confirm. Okay, you got it.
Yay. I'm back.
How much did you got?
You can upgrade your friends. I don't know how.
Really? How?
Press yourself.
Oh, 25 billion? Hell nah. Okay, that's it.
Hey!
Okay, what's it?
Okay, guys.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
guys, bye-bye.
Hey, look at me. Look at me.
Wow.
Mwah.
So,
Now end the video.